Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to share a secret recipe that will transform your garden. We'll show you how to make a powerful mixture that improves soil health and helps plants grow better. This special blend helps your soil hold water and nutrients, making your garden stronger and more fertile. Stay tuned to learn how to easily make this amazing mixture at home and give your plants the best start possible. In this video, we'll make Jadam Liquid Fertilizer, an organic fertilizer made by fermenting natural materials. This is part of Jadam, a South Korean farming method focused on healthy soil. Jadam stands for Joyful Agriculture Through Microorganisms. This is our third recipe for this great fertilizer. Check out our channel for more powerful fertilizer recipes. First, wash some potatoes to remove any dirt, then put them in a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Let them boil until soft, about 20 to 30 minutes. Once done, drain the water and let the potatoes cool a bit. After cooling, mash the potatoes in a bucket with water. Use rainwater or non-chlorinated water to protect the beneficial microbes. Fill the bucket about 4 inches from the top, leaving space for fermentation gases. Next, add fully decomposed compost to the bucket with the water and mashed potatoes. The compost should be dark and crumbly. It provides nutrients and beneficial microbes that will be activated during fermentation. Mix them well to ensure the potatoes and compost are fully combined. The mashed potatoes serve as food for the microbes, starting the fermentation process. Then add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to the bucket. Brown sugar feeds the microorganisms, helping them multiply. Stir well to distribute the brown sugar evenly. Cover the bucket loosely with a lid or cloth to keep out debris while allowing gases to escape. Place the bucket in a shaded, warm area. Let the mixture ferment for 24 to 48 hours, stirring every couple of hours to aerate and encourage microbial activity. After 24 hours, if your mixture looks bubbly and smells slightly sweet, it's ready to use. It might take longer in your climate. Our weather is pretty hot, so it only took 24 hours for bacteria to do the magic work for us. Strain the liquid through a fine mesh or cheesecloth to remove solid particles. The resulting liquid is your concentrated fertilizer. Dilute it with water at a ratio of 1 to 10, 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water, and apply it directly to the soil around your plants or as a spray. Using Jadam Liquid Fertilizer has many benefits. It enriches the soil with essential nutrients, promotes healthy plant growth, and enhances soil structure by boosting microbial activity. Plus, it's an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to recycle organic waste into valuable plant food. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more videos.